Hello and welcome to our channel, The Next Generation. From today onwards, we are going to start our DSA series. Now let's analyze two kinds of data. There's unarranged data, and then there's arranged data. So now what's the difference between these two? Unarranged data has no particular order. It's random and harder to work with. Arranged data, on the other hand, is organized in a specific order, like ascending, descending, or alphabetical. But in DSA, we call these two kinds of data as structured and unstructured data. In structured data, just like arranged data, data can be organized in many ways, like ascending, descending, or even alphabetical order, depending on what we need. Now the question is, why do we need data structures? Let us understand this with some real-world examples. On the screen, you can see that the books are arranged in new ways. On the left side, they're placed randomly, no order at all. On the right side, they're arranged in a specific order. Now, tell me, which one looks better to you? Of course, the right side, because it's neat, clear, and easy to access. And that's exactly why we need data structures. Just like organizing books makes them easier to find, data structures help us organize information in code so we can store, search, and manage it more efficiently. Now, let's look at another example. You can see a cupboard that's completely unorganized. If I ask you to find a jacket in this cupboard, it won't be easy, right? Why? Because it's messy, unordered, and unstructured. When things aren't arranged properly, it takes more time and effort to find what you're looking for. That's exactly what happens with unstructured data in programming, too. Now, look at this cupboard. It's neat and organized. If I ask you to find a jacket here, it'll be much easier and faster. Why? Because this cupboard is organized, ordered, and structured. Everything has a proper place. So finding anything takes less time and effort. That's the power of structured data in programming, too. Now, in data structures, we have different ways to store and organize data. One of the simplest ways is using an array. For example, imagine you have a bookshelf with multiple racks. What you can do is place books of the same category on the same rack. All science books on one shelf, storybooks on another, and so on. That's exactly how an array works. It stores similar types of data together in an ordered way. Another way to organize data is like a train. Imagine each part of the train carries some information, and each part is connected to the next one, so they stay in a line and move together. This is how a linked list works. The data is stored in parts that are linked together one by one, just like the compartments of a train. There are also other types of data structures like stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and many more. Don't worry, we'll learn all of them step by step in the upcoming videos. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into arrays. We hope you understood the basics today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Keep learning and stay with us on The Next Generation.